So guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add other time frames to your MetaTrader 5 on the desktop version or on the PC version. I've made a video already on how to add more time frame to the ones of the phone version. So this one will be for the PC version. So if you look over here, you're going to see M1, which is 1 minute, M5, M15, M30, M15, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. So let's assume you want to add more time. Let's assume between 1 minute to 5 minutes, you can have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and so on. First of all, if you've not gotten your MetaTrader 5 on your PC, remember we said you go over to your browser. When you go over to your browser, you type your MetaTrader 5 over here. Once you type your MetaTrader 5, it's going to give you this link. I think that's the first link. The first link you're going to see your MetaTrader 5. So once you type it, it's going to say download. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to that download. So you choose which of the system type. So this is it. You click here. So once you're open, you're going to choose the system that you're using. If it's for Windows, you click for Windows, for Macs, or for Linux. So I'm currently using Windows. We choose Windows, but I've downloaded mine. So once you download them, remember how we discussed on your login, you come over here to files if you want to log in and click on open account. If you want to open the account that is already in your phone or the one you were using on your phone. So here, let's assume I want to enter the reef. Let's assume my broker is the reef. So I'll come here, type the reef, click on find company. So it's going to give you the list of the reefs. So let me say this is the one I want. Once you select it, you click on next. So once you take on next, it's going to give you another option for you to take from. So over here is for demo, and this is for real accounts, and this is how to connect your already existing account. So you're going to select existing account and you enter your login details for you to log in. All right, so that's by the way. Now let's continue. For the time frame, you are going to click any of them. You right click. So once you right click, you come down here to customize. Click on customize. You're going to see this customizing toolbar here. This side are the available buttons. These ones are the default, the ones that you have here. So if you look up here, you're going to see that these are the ones that are here. So for you to add more, like M2, that's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, what you have to do is to click on insert. So once you select the one you want to, you come here, you click on insert. As you can see, 2 minutes have entered here. If you look up here, you're as well going to see 2 minutes, but this is not arranged, so you can equally move it up or down. So I want to move it up to where it's supposed to be. You click up. So I'm taking it up to where it's supposed to be. Okay, it's supposed to be after 1 minute so that it will be arranged, as you can see here. Now this is 3 minutes as well. I can equally insert 3 minutes. Once you insert 3 minutes, you're going to see it here. So you see 3 minutes entered before 2 minutes. You can bring it down for it to be correct. So over here, you're going to see 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then 5 minutes. So anyone you want to add, you can always come here to this customizing toolbar and click on them. So as simple as this, you've been able to add more time frame to your MetaTrader 5, the desktop version. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find the video interesting, please consider subscribing and give the video thumbs up so that you see my next video. I promise you my next video is going to be better than this. Bye for now. Subscribe.